old bass notes. I'm halfway to play in the striped piano. Then right there in between those bass notes, I'll play chords for the striped piano sound.
There is that striped piano. I'm with at the striped piano. Striped piano. Yeah, no, yeah.
Cause my right hand goes over the melody I make up. Then my left hand plays tricks with the rhythm, and both hands are taking it out. My fingers feel breezy, they're easy on the keys. They're light and feet are grooving together with the moving bass first for me.
Oh, I can never be lonely. You got me everything that I need.
I feel good, I feel strong, nothing bad can go wrong. Nobody has command what a woman needs to have. There's such an appealing, powerful feeling, still with a handful of keys. I like to think like an piano.
I like to play it in a sabor manner.
I like to sing a little tune that's mellow.
Tuberculosis is nothing swallow.
A handful of kids on a song to sing. Ba, ba, ba. Tickling Jeffrey singing jive. Ba, ba, ba. Bang those old white notes, bang those old black notes, bang those old 8 notes, bang those old whole notes. Try that old left hand, try that old right. There's a chilly billy, pop of feeling, still with a handful of keys.